The 2015 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, navigation system, all-wheel drive, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come take a test drive today.